I use this plant therapy rosemary EO along with a few other ingredients for a non-toxic, all-organic and properly diluted hand sanitizer spray. So much better than store-bought brand hand sanitizers being recalled for methane traces. Love plant therapy, so thank you so much. Such a great product that's organic and has an awesome bang for its buck. We'll definitely be buying again. Thank you very much. I have purchased rosemary oil for my beauty regimen before, but I can really smell and feel the difference in this organic therapeutic grade. My scalp tingles to a much greater degree than I have experienced in the past with other rosemary oils, when I use it in my hair care products. Just a bit of caution. Be mindful to wash hands thoroughly after use or handling, as with any oils. Nowhere near the scent of fresh, growing rosemary. But, truest scent and best to date as far as essential oils go. I use this product as an antiviral in my infuser to help with bad colds and sinus. This was fine at first, but it has gone rancid and the aroma is awful 2 weeks after opening it. I don't know if refrigerating it would have helped, but there was nothing about that on the packaging or description. Click link in description to get it from Amazon. I will update this to 5 stars if the second bottle is satisfactory, as the product was wonderful for the first week. I've had it for over a month now and the oil is great. Let's hear it for a company that stands behind their products. This is my second purchase of the 30 ml organic rosemary essential oil. The scent is wonderful. I use it in homemade lotion, along with shea butter, coconut oil and jojoba. It's been part of a very healing formulation. The first bottle lasted a year without going rancid. The second bottle arrived in a protective cardboard tube, which is great for shipping and for packing when I am on the road. Well done, plant therapy. Plant Therapy is by far the best oil brand I have ever used, and I have tried them all. These smell amazing and most of them are far better than the same oils with YL or doTERRA. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe today.